In this video, we're going to show you how to change the font and text style across the entire drawing in AutoCAD. Text plays an important role in any AutoCAD project because it helps communicate dimensions, notes, labels, instructions, and other critical information. Having a consistent text style throughout your drawing not only improves readability, but also gives your project a more professional appearance. However, there may be times when you receive a drawing that uses the wrong font, inconsistent text styles, or formatting that doesn't match your company standards. Manually editing every text object can take a lot of time, especially in larger drawings with hundreds of annotations and notes. The good news is that AutoCAD provides an efficient way to update text styles and apply changes throughout an entire drawing without editing each text object individually. By the end of this video, you'll learn a simple method to change fonts and text styles across your drawing and create a more consistent appearance. So, let's get started. The first method is to modify the existing text style. Type Style into the command line and press Enter. This will open the Text Style dialog box. Select the text style that is currently being used in your drawing. Next, choose a new font from the font name list. After selecting the font, click Apply and then click Close. Any text objects that use that style will automatically update to the new font. If your drawing contains multiple text styles, repeat the same process for each style that needs to be updated. This allows you to quickly standardize the appearance of text throughout the drawing. In most situations, this is all you need to do. Now let's quickly recap what we covered. First, open the Style command and access the Text Style dialog box. Second, select the text style you want to modify and choose a new font. And third, apply the changes so all text using that style updates automatically. Remember that maintaining consistent text styles can improve drawing quality, make documents easier to read, and help ensure compliance with company or project standards. Using text styles instead of manually formatting individual text objects can also save a significant amount of time when updates are required later. This is especially useful on large projects where hundreds of notes, labels, and annotations need to remain consistent across multiple sheets and layouts. Taking a few moments to organize and standardize your text styles can make your drawings look more professional and easier to manage in the future. And that's how to change the font and text style across the entire drawing in AutoCAD. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others who work with AutoCAD. Your support helps us create more tutorials, troubleshooting guides, and productivity tips to make your AutoCAD workflow faster and more efficient. If there's another AutoCAD feature or issue you'd like us to cover, feel free to leave a comment below. We'd love to hear your suggestions and ideas for future videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.